Hi everyone, welcome to my day trading recap. Today I am cooking again. I am cooking another five-figure day. Your boy is up 10 bands in the bank, even 11. But as you guys can see, I was up 15 and I decided to give back money to the market because I'm a generous guy and I just gave back 5k. But it's all good in the neighborhood because I am up 10 bands, almost 11. It's a lot of money. I got cooked on those names. I'm telling you guys, I cannot trade 8, 7, 9, 10, $11 stocks to save my life because those stocks got me cooked. End of day, CUPR and also GLSH. I could not connect any. What was the name? JLSH, this one? What's the name of this nonsense stock? Wait. This one got me cooked. This one, oh my, holy brother. This stock, man. Every trade, every single trade of it was a goddamn loser. I lost like, I want to say almost 3 grand on that one. $3,000. And there's no reason to lose that amount of money because I never make money on those stocks. Like all time career wise, I lose money on those. So either size down or don't trade them at all. But I don't know. I feel like even, especially when the market is hot, you should be trading everything, right? And when stocks at 7, 8, 9, $10 range make moves, they could be pretty nice. But for me, I don't know. I maybe need to dig deeper into the data because I need to do something about it because this is unacceptable. I'm losing dumb money, and it also gets me towards like an emotional position into the day because there's one thing to lose 3k and then there is getting emotional from it because you can see the glass half full and say, okay, you're still up 11k on the day, what are you even talking about? But I get it, it's a lot of money, I'm not even here to complain, but I'm losing money when I trade those, and I also get emotional. So it can impact my decision even when I'm trading stocks that I should be making money on. So whenever I go and try and trade them when I'm tilted, I can lose money. So it's a double loss because I lose money initially on the stupid $8 name, and then I lose money on my beauty penny stock or my beauty $1 stock. So I gotta sort it out, brother. But yeah, initially started the day at 4 a.m. like a good hustler. Oh, as you guys can see, I can have it right there. So already have the screenshot. So was buying 264 on that candle, 406, right? Yeah, this candle. I bought here 2.6, and then I was holding it as Big Steve likes how I say it. I was holding it like the goddamn CEO all the way from here all the way to 3.10. And on this specific trade, I was up to bendos to start the day. And then another big trade was this trade. I saw it holding in here and I was like, okay, I gotta time the $5 break. And that's what I did, baby. I'm buying below 5 and I'm selling all the way into those two candles. And right there, honestly, I was the CEO, Big Steve. Like, come on, man. You cannot hold a stock for 3-4 minutes, a penny stock, and not call yourself the CEO. Like, come on, give me some justifications, brother. I'm the CEO of Cast, but no longer. Not anymore. I'm not the CEO. I retired. Someone else is taking my place. Some bag holder, maybe, but not me. Not me. And then I was fumbling the bag on NIXX because I could not time anything. I was honestly, this is my bread and butter, and I'm up like I want to say $300 or something. Like I could not trade it. I could not connect, and I don't know why. I gotta review my recording and see what's up because this is unacceptable, boys. I cannot be doing that. But yeah, other than that, CUPR already talked how much it cooked me, and we got this cute little penny stock. Yeah, best trade on it was 45 to 47 on this candle. Yeah, I was scaling into this green candle and then it popped and I was like, yeah, baby, I'm selling. And I sold a little early. I feel like I got another trade in here, but it's not screenshotted, but you'll have to believe me. And what else did we trade, boys? Let's see. Oh yeah, so this recap is totally out of order, but doesn't really matter. I'm not here to curse. I'm not the mighty. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's just keep on going. Okay, so this random ticker, man, I'm seeing a stock up 140% on the day, and I'm like, oh, let's try and look at it. And initially, I'm seeing that it's thin, and I'm not trading it. And then it dips in that range, and I'm like, yo, if it opens up and if it goes like 1 point or 2 points, I will be a millionaire or some shit. And then I tried to take a trade, and I lost in here. And I tried also in here, and I lost like 2 points with small size, but still, like, if you lose big with small size, it turns out to be a loss, and even a big loss. And I lost like, I want to say, $400 on that nonsense. And then I was emotionally compromised, so I tried to revenge trade in here. Unfortunately, my revenge did not work, and I lost more money. So guys, do not revenge trade, please. Do not do it. Do not do it. Okay, and then I was trying to trade the open with PAVS, but of course my TOS cooked me, and I had big lag. Fortunately, I did not get caught on that crazy drop. I tried scalping it here for a bit, tried to time the breakout too many times, and I lost like small. But again, when you lose a lot with small, like small losses over time, create one big loss. And then I just left it alone, and I was like, okay, give me my 5-figure day and let me get out of here, because I'm definitely not trading well. As you can see, I'm slowly donating back my day for no reason. Honestly, JR is nonsense. JR, whatever, this stock, man. I should not risk money on that nonsense, at least not big money. And also, I got some slippage on my entries and exits. And whenever I get slippage, I'm completely out of sync, because I feel like I'm a deer in the headlights, because I cannot manage my trades. And all of a sudden, I get random fills, and I'm like, whoa. And I didn't even use that big of a share size. I was using 18, 17. Like, I feel like, I don't know, I just don't know how to trade those. I'm a full beginner, I guess, on those. Gotta focus on my beauties, GELS 4 a.m. Man, this stock was so beautiful. I had 30K size here. 30K, boys. 30K on that little dip. And I was scaling all the way in here. It's pretty solid. Also got this trade. And yeah, I was cooking on 4 a.m., but then I lost slowly but surely. And Nix is just not good. But whatever, live to trade another day, boys. Tomorrow is Tuesday. The market is going to be closed on Friday, so we gotta lock in Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Maybe Thursday should be a little slower, because people, as you guys may already know, people just take the day off, like maybe the week off. Like, it depends. For me, I don't know, might need to slow down coming into Thursday, even Wednesday, even Tuesday might be slow, because we never know. Still, I'm cooking on this month, baby. 65 pence. What are we even talking about? Goal is to make 6 figs this month. I don't know if I will be able to do so, but I'm aiming for it, because you gotta shoot for the star, aim for the moon, all that cringy nonsense, as you guys know. But yeah, 65K, crazy on the year. Your boy is up on the year, 155. Holy. CIIT, man. CIIT changed my life, boys. CIIT, man. CIIT. But you know what's funny? I don't know if I did the recap that day, but CIIT, man. I also made money on CIIT last week on Monday, which was pretty solid. Yeah, I made 9 bendos on CIIT Wednesday last week. 9K on CIIT. CIIT was pretty solid. Yeah, 40K on CIIT. Thank you, CIIT. Thank you, CIIT. You changed my life, baby girl. I gotta meet up with the CEO. I gotta say what's up. Like, honestly, if someone knows that, let's try to check. Let's try. The IT CEO. Bro! No. Citigroup. No. Okay, I guess it's gonna be far harder to find it out. But yeah. Either ways, guys, trading is risky. My results are definitely not typical. I'm up 65 bendos on the month. It's definitely not typical. And yeah, practice in a simulator, manage your risk, and trade with small size. don't even trade if you can. Just don't. Even if you do decide to trade, join MMU because it will increase your odds to become a successful, profitable trader. But yeah, that was me. Goodbye.